Well, good afternoon, Peep and Peepettes. Just wanted to touch base with you guys and kind of show you what we've been kind of hanging out doing. So we have been building. This is our little wheelbarrow. Try to get my shadow out of your way. These are little planters we've been building. We have with the little mat. And then we have our 3 sizes. And then who can be without a wishing well? And one of my favorites is the windmill. And yes, it really turns. And then, of course, another one of my favorites is the wagons. Wagon wheels. Cute little planter. And then this is going to be, whoops, little planter for inside the house. Maybe it's for somebody's herbs, little herb garden or something. So what's funny about this is actually a partially made wagon wheel. And when I was cutting this out and I was tapping some of the sawdust out of my way so that I could finish cutting the holes, it broke. So I used it to make a little lemon pie herb garden. Anyway, so just kind of a short video. These are some wheels that I came up with. Yeah, they're way too hard, so we won't be doing those. Not unless I can come up with some kind of easier way to do them. But just wanted to touch base with some of our followers and show you what we've been up to the last, I don't know, couple months. Oops. Anyway, it's been a lot of fun. We enjoy building stuff and making stuff. And so we even bent the metal here to be able to put those on. Little seat armrest. Little foot thing. These are our buckboards. The handles either up or it can lay down. So everything moves. Wagon rolls. So anyway, I hope y'all enjoyed this little video. Maybe we'll get into showing some of you guys how we make some of the more in detailed stuff. The wagons, actually, it's not a easy or simple project. They take hours to make, but that's okay. I think they're very cool looking. I enjoyed helping Yank make these. Of course, he's He's the brains. I'm just kind of the detailist. But anyway, thank you very much, and I hope you guys have a wonderful day.